Okay, so we're looking at compound inequalities. Now you can see that this is a little bit more in depth, and because we do have a variable in the middle of two parameters on either side, lower end versus the higher end. And so we're gonna go ahead and still solve this, but I want you to look at it and kind of think about like, what would you do in a scenario on a one-step inequality here for solving to get n by itself? And hopefully you'd say the answer is to subtract 9 on both sides. Now, the difference is we've got not just two sides, but now we actually have three pieces. So we're gonna do the same thing. We are gonna subtract by 9 on both of these sides, but now we're gonna also include that on this side as well. So we're gonna subtract 9 on all three areas. Now that's gonna take those 9s and completely wipe them out. There's gonna be nothing left of the constants. N is all by itself inside. We put our inequality symbols, and then we go ahead and we just subtract. So -1 minus 9 is -10. And then over here, 17 minus 9 gives me 8. So my inequality statement or my solving of this would be that my n value could be anywhere between, but not including, -10 and 8. So when I go ahead and graph this on my number line, we are going to do open circle on the -10. And it goes all the way up to the +8 here. And then we're just going to connect these two pieces together because it can be any of these numbers that are in between on this. Now, when I do set notation for this, I would write down that the brackets, oops, that's a terrible bracket, the n real, all real numbers for n, such that, and then I just replace the statement that we have here right after that line. So we just replace this here, close our little curly brackets, and we've got our answer for set notation. If you'd like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel. You want algebra, check them out under the compound inequalities section.